Gaurav Bissa, derivative analyst at LKP Securities, is now joining in on a phone line. Gaurav, good afternoon. Thank you so much for taking out time for us. Very, very dull day ahead of an expiry, something that we don't see usually.
Good afternoon, Pankaj. I would not term it as unusual. We have seen quite a few occasions when Nifty has not moved much as it approached the expiry and the action was saved for the last couple of hours. But yes, we generally see at least some sort of direction, whether Nifty is showing some sort of weakness or some sort of positivity. But last 2-3 trading sessions, it has been at the same mark, 7850 levels. Today it's a little bit down below 7850, but overall, if you look at it, it's been the same. So yes, this time around it is a little bit different, but I would not be too surprised. We are talking of lower than average rollovers. We are not talking of fresh additions in longs or shorts in the month of November, in the month of October. Also, we do not see significant portions. So when such thing happens, there's not much trigger that can take Nifty, to upper levels or to a significantly lower level.
Right. Do you think it's because of the changes in the lot size that rollovers are particularly quite low?
For Nifty, I would not say. The thing is that buying a Nifty or selling, rather I'll just say that selling a Nifty is not just for trading per se. A lot of people hedge their positions with Nifty, and hedging would go on. It's an eternal process. It has to be done month on month. So for that, somebody would not matter if I have a portfolio of say 1 crore and I need to hedge portfolio with the Nifty value of 1 crore. I will have to sell the value of 1 crore in Nifty, whether it is a losses of 25, 50 or 75 for now, for that matter. So that would not be affected. But as individual rollovers, if you talk about, the action has deteriorated. It has diminished a bit, I would say. So that can be seen in the individual stock rollovers. But for Nifty, I don't think that would be the case.
Right. What is the expiry level that you expect? Where do you see expiry coming in on Thursday?
For now, I feel the expiration of the current series contracts can be seen near the 7900 kind of levels, just 50 points up from here. There are not many triggers. The selling in both the side options is quite rampant, whether it is out the money call option or out the money put option. So it becomes a little bit difficult to gauge what level Nifty can fall up to. But yeah, for now, I feel 7900 is what I expect. 7050 or 700. That would be the range for expiration of Nifty contracts.
Just a couple of names like Jubilant Foodworks, names like Indiabull Housing Finance, Crompton. Were there excessive shorts into these names, and that's the reason why we are seeing a rally over there in the last few days?
There's significant short covering happening in similarly Indiabull Housing. For Crompton, it's a pure play. It was not short covering. It was fresh longs that were seen getting built. It has already seen action. So Crompton, the data is good. I think if these levels are held, one can still buy at current levels. 195 is what the breakout levels are for Crompton Greaves. So if it's holding on to 195, one can expect 215 to 220 kind of targets. One can have a stop loss of around 185 or 188, something like that. So yes, this is a good play. For Indiabull Housing, I think short covering, it has to be converted into fresh longs, and it has to be seen whether fresh longs are seen getting built or not. But for now, I think the bounce has been done, and one should not enter at these levels. Wait for dips. If the levels are held, then one can go long. Otherwise, for now, don't keep Indiabull Housing radar. For people who are already holding, they can keep holding with trailing stoppers, but fresh entry should be avoided.
Right. Any other names that you would watch out on Thursday?
I like IOC. Fresh longs are seen getting built. Let us see toward the end of the trading section. We see similar kind of additions happening. So I feel 440 can be seen in IOC. One can have a stop loss at 412, 414 and play for targets of 435, 440. And another would be Century Textile. I think this is another stock that can see some good action. 620, 640 kind of levels can be seen. Now, I would not be talking of just the Thursday, but I feel in December series, these are some of the names that can give a good amount of action. So 560, 565 can be used as stop loss and play for target of 620, 640.
Right. Gaurav, thank you so much for taking out time for us. Always a pleasure talking to you.